Guys, you made it to Sho-Me Tint. I'm Randy. I'm gonna show you what's cracking at the shop. First, I'm gonna show you what's going on with this Ford Mustang. A dude came to me a while back. We did something really crazy. A wrap, a half wrap's what we call it, right? So this is kind of like a topographical wrap. You know, this design is really cool and rare. Like, this is gonna gather a lot of attention. Previously, we'd already done this like luminous chrome tint to it. So that helped it pop. The factory color flows well with all of this. He wanted to set off this factory color and do something totally original. Now, this is something you don't see every day, and not everybody's doing it. And I guarantee you see this car, you're gonna recognize it. One of the harder parts of doing something like this is to make all the body panels make sense. You can't obviously, like on the side, it's easy to line all this up because it comes in big sheets. But to make this make sense and flow together here through here, you know, that's the most complicated, challenging part of that, is to keep the lines flowing to where it looks like it's all one piece. We're trying to give that illusion, even though it's not, you know, but it honestly, Nick killed it, looks fire. Wrapped the door handle to match. You know, we took the spoiler off. We had to, of course, take the tail light out. These kind of things, the emblem had to come off. That's what really makes the wrap look complete. You know, it's a fun project. It's super wild. My dude's gonna be so hyped when he sees it. Kevin, I know you're watching already. It's gonna be popping. You're gonna love it. This thing, you've seen it on the road, it's cracked off. Like, you're gonna be like, what? I just broke my neck, turn me around. I gotta turn me around. You're gonna love it or you're gonna hate it. Either way, you're gonna notice it. That's what we do at Sho-Me Tint. Makes people's dreams come true. You know what I mean? Making it happen. This is one of my favorite kind of things to do. Is just, I do so much regular stuff that it's fun for us to do something wild. Honestly, people pay us to do it. We get to do it, and we get to get crazy and use our artistic side, and you know, and we love stuff like that. So it's always fun, and it's you know, the talk of the shop today. So guys waited a while to get it in. We're happy to get it out to him. It's probably gonna go out tonight. Like, our goal is to have it on the road tonight for him. So you'll see it on the streets of Springfield. Keep your eyes out if you're watching locally. Sho-Me Tint, your local tint shop, no big deal. Oh, I wanted to show you this Maybach. This thing is crazy. I was out for the weekend. This is one of my regular dudes. He's so cool. He said, oh, I just need you to wrap this Mercedes. I guess no big deal. Went down to his like warehouse. He's building this new private collection for his warehouse. Why don't you take this paint protection off? He had some like partial stuff done by somebody else. He's like, let's do something cool. One of my guys talked to him, and so we're doing it in a satin black paint protection film. And this thing is going to look so murdered and mean. Like, it is gonna be cool. Imagine this thing blacked out, all matte black wheels. It is gonna be gangsta for real. Has a fridge in the back? No one told me that. I see some taillights back here. Oh, it is really a fridge with some drinks in there. You gotta watch those long doors on the Maybach. Oh wow, it is an actual little fridge. That's pretty cool. I didn't know that. Infiniti QX80 autograph. Cream of the crop. It actually is super nice. It's a 2025. All the patterns are the first edition patterns for that. So that means that like the paint protection film that we're doing, not a lot of people has done it. So they're telling us, hey, when you put this on, you have to use a little bit more expertise to do this because it's not all gonna be perfect yet because they're so new. Which we love doing stuff like that. We usually like give a lot of feedback to the patterns to make them good. It's actually already almost done. Andres did it mostly himself. We did the front clip on this in a paint protection film. We did the mirrors. We did like a ceramic coating everywhere else. We're gonna hit it with some window tint before it leaves. Oh, this thing is so dope. Have you look at this taillight. QX80. Let me show you the inside. This thing is so gangster. Look at this. How nice this is. So my guy that bought this, he said, man, he said the only thing with these is like, you want to buy the warranty. And I don't know if you want to put this in there or not, but he said they already are having trouble with these like handle, and that's the reason they're stuck out. Putting this shag carpet in the back, dog. Yeah, they hit me up. This is a good friend of mine. I've been doing work for him for a lot of years, and he's told me, he's like, man, can you get this in for me? Get it out by the weekend. I'm gonna go on a little trip. And I was like, bring it in, make it happen. Autograph. Put my autograph on here. I don't think he'd like that. This is super nice. It just feels luxurious and big and thick and wide. Have you seen the front? Oh my God. Andre, how's it going on this? Okay, he says. Yeah, it looks good. Already wrapped in paint protection film. Super easy in comparison to some of the stuff we do, you know. We're hyped to get it out the door because we got a big dually outside that Andre loves dualies. Dang, Andre does not like dualies. Andre likes to, what are we doing on that dually? Oh, partial. Now partial hood, partial bumper. Mercedes, super easy. We're just waiting on the dang old calipers. We got the dang old calipers to do, and then they're supposed to be back today. We got them to match. We got the wheels to put back on, and then, bang, you guys see my new dirt bike? Right here. This thing will do 65 miles an hour. Not wild. It's super fun. It's scary and fast. Bryler Brinker, 1980. That's my dude, Bryler. Bryler Brunter. Bryler Unterbrink. That's his name? His first name is Bryler. I can confirm that. This is my boys. He is super scared of this little thing. But yeah. So he'll go anything on the water, but like on the land, he'll hold a big snake. He'll hold a big 60-pound snake. Hunter rolling up in the van, bumping gangster rap. Sound like the coolant fan has been on for 2 hours. Why is the van so hot? You been running it hard? I don't believe you. What were you doing, jamming out? Oh God, this kid. What am I gonna do with it? Oh, you finally made it back with the calipers. The calipers finally showed up. You just in time, YouTube. All right, let's go see him in the light. That's the brake, the part of it. Yeah, the brakes. Where's the other part? Don't, seriously, we've been letting this slide around. Let's go see how it matches. About like that. A little bit more hardware is involved, but yeah. Boom, that's happening now. Big ones on the back, little ones on the front. Now, he only took the brackets off the front. So I was just trying to explain it simple for Hunter so he didn't have to get confused. You understand?
I'm cutting your brakes. Thank you.
You can't even find his brakes. What were they at? Behind the tire. We can go check out the guys at the tint shop real quick if you want. We got a tow truck down there. I showed you one before, it's really the next one over. Guys, we made it down the tint shop. We're wrapping up the end of the day. We got a couple SUVs, an Escalade, and a Yukon. We're rocking them out. Andre, Ramon, tinting them up for you. Getting them dark, making that tint, baby. I'm pretty sure that got a full windshield. We're gonna take off this clear bra. That's a piece of crap. This needs to come off too. Guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna help them wrap this up. You know, we're getting ready for this weekend. We want to get our work done so we can go have fun on the water. Peace out. Thank you for watching. We appreciate you very much. I am done. I am done.